Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make ChatGPT faster. So if it's lagging or giving slow responses, follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's dive in. First, let's talk about internet speed. ChatGPT's response time depends on your connection. If your internet is slow or unstable, responses will lag. Make sure you're on a fast, reliable connection to get the best performance. Next, let's talk about long chat histories. If you have a really long conversation with ChatGPT, it has to go through all that history every time it answers, which can slow things down a lot. Here's a simple fix. Ask ChatGPT to summarize your chat, then start a new chat with that summary. For example, you can type, "This chat is getting too long and slow. Can you summarize everything so I can paste it into a new chat?" ChatGPT will give you a concise overview, which you can copy into a fresh chat. This way, the new chat responds much faster because it doesn't have to process all the old messages. And that's it. Those are two easy ways to speed up ChatGPT. Check your internet connection and summarize long chats into a new one. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.